So, hello everyone. In this video, in the last video of our Fusion 360 lessons, we will design a simple light bulb and we will use render. So, here we go. So, first thing first, same as everything. Let's create a folder called day 4 and name it light bulb. Yeah. So, let's create a new design and close the old one. So in this design we will use cylinder, and for the start we will not create a sketch, we will just use cylinder and place it on here. And for the dimensions, they will place it on the origin and write 30. And for the height of it, it will be 40 millimeters. I have to check something. Yep. And we will hit OK. After that, let's get to the front view. Yep, as you can see, uh, yeah, let's get closer. And after we created our light bulb, we'll go to bodies, no, we'll go to origins and go to X and Z, and we will create a sketch in there. After we create a sketch, we'll go to project and include and go to intersect. So once we got in there, um, we will pick here. After that, we will hit OK. And now, as you can see, we got our little dots over here. So we will just put a line between them. By the way, for the shortcut of line, it's letter L in your keyboard. You can use it. So once we place it, we will press ESC, escape key, and then we will get another line and place it on the middle and give it a height of 20. Yeah. After that, we will make it a construction line. Yep. And then we will go to solid, create, and we will pick a sphere. Then we will place it on here and go to home view. After that, we will make it 60. We will make the size 61. And as you can see, it tries to cut, but it won't be cut. It will be join. And after that, we will hit OK. And now, as you can see, we got our like light bulbs basics. Oh my god, I made a huge mistake. Well, I placed it wrongly. Sphere. Yeah. Yep. Make sure you place it on this little dot. And after that, we will pick fillet in there and just type 45. So now, as you can see, yeah, it looks like a light bulb, but we missed something. We missed something. Pick the fillet. Nope, not there. This line and this line. Um, for actually, don't pick the both lines at the same time. Pick this line and make it 45 and add another and choose this one. Whatever, just pick 45 and come then right there 4. Yeah, that was all. And after that we will go to modify appearance Well, there is our appearance library. There are our materials. So we will just type LED, and for LED we will pick this one, but uh, as we oops yeah yeah we will just select this one. Yeah, I am so stupid. Make the new body. Yeah. Am I missing something? I I can. Yeah, I'm missing something. Well, um, yeah. Press letter E, A, and then LED, and Y. Yeah, yeah. After that, we will type gray plastic, and it will be that, and drag it. Wait a little bit. Where do we drag it? Yeah, in these three places, place the gray plastic, and in the middle, and yeah, and for the middle too. Cancel. Yup. And with that, we got it rightly, so we can close the appearance page. And for the last, not sweep, not sweep, not sweep. Come and take cylinder again, press on the origin, and for the size, type 22, and for the height, type 10, and we will go to thread, and pick there. So for the size 22, M22 times 3, 6G right hand isometric profile, and for the there we will type pick modeled, and no, we will pick asymmetric M. These ones will be same. Now you can uh change the like uh length of it, and after that we will change the size actually. Yeah, and for there, how the hell I am still missing something. um so for the length we will type 12, and for the offset we will type 0. Why it can't be like that? Well, I think I put it 22 millimeters. Nope. Nope. No, because I'm stupid. Because I'm so stupid. We'll make it 15. After that, thread, ANSI, modeled, not full length, offset, 12, right hand. Hit OK. After that, so let's go to chamfer and pick there and type 4 like that, And after all, as you can see, it seems like a light bulb. And for last, we'll pick fillet, go to there, type 2, hit OK, and now we will create a new cylinder there, and we will type 2 for the length, and let's pick chamfer again. 3, nope, 2, yep. So let's go back to appearance, type plastic, we will, yeah, that one, nope, cancel, man. Okay, we will do it slower. And yeah, that was all. Now as you can see, we got our light bulb perfectly, so we can go to render and see it in there. As you can see, we got it rendered, and as you can see, it's a light bulb. So that was all. Press Ctrl S for the last time and type light bulb. Save it. After all, our series is complete. So I hope you learned something and like the Fusion 360. Well, that I want you to know that this is the really basics of the Fusion 360. Actually, there's much more uh, much more things in Fusion 360, like as you can see, animation, simulation, and manufacture. I don't even know this electronics. I mean, this is really simple of a little part of Fusion 360. So make sure you learn the other parts. So see you. Have a nice day. Have a nice week. Have a nice year. Goodbye. Bye bye.